Slip and fall injury. How much is my case worth? For slip and fall injuries, we have identified 6 factors that determine how much a slip and fall case is worth. Number 1, medical expenses. Medical expenses are a big part of determining the value of an injury case, but they should not be the sole deciding factor. In Indiana, it's important for injured individuals to get treatment quickly, follow healthcare professionals' advice, and to keep track of their expenses. But relying solely on medical bills to settle a case, well, that's what I call lazy lawyering. Number 2, loss of income and earning capacity. An often overlooked part of how much a slip and fall injury case is worth is the loss of income and earning capacity. Whether one works on hourly wages, salary, or commission, it's essential to keep track of time spent going to and from doctor's appointments and the money lost in the process. That includes use of vacation days or having to make up time on the weekends. Now, tax returns are a huge part of claiming lost wages. So if a claim is being made for lost wages, it might be a good idea to start gathering prior year's tax documents as soon as possible. Number 3, pain and suffering. Pain and suffering are a huge part of a slip and fall injury case's recovery. The settlement or verdict in a case where an injured person is back to normal in 30 days is not going to be as high as one where the individual is still affected months or, heaven forbid, even years later. Number 4, severity of injuries. The severity and extent of injuries plays a significant amount in determining the amount of money an injured person will receive. A broken arm or shoulder often results in a higher settlement or verdict than muscle aches or pains. The more severe the injury, such as broken bones or surgery, the higher the settlement or verdict. Number 5, comparative negligence. Comparative negligence is another significant factor in Indiana. Compensation for injuries are reduced by the same percentage that a person is at fault. For instance, if a store owner fails to clean up a spill, but the injured person was distracted by a cell phone and not pay attention to their surroundings, and they slip and fall, the settlement is likely going to be reduced by comparative fault as determined by a jury. Comparative fault is the exact reason why an injured person should not give a statement to anyone without first talking to an attorney. Number 6, the last factor that affects the value of a slip and fall injury case, the lawyer. Is this lawyer someone who regularly handles slip and fall injury cases? Or is this an attorney known for handling divorce cases? Is the lawyer someone that settles all of their cases and never goes to trial? If so, that case is not going to be valued too much. Is the lawyer one that has no hesitation to go to trial, but even more importantly, has a track record of achieving justice at trial? Insurance companies and businesses take all this into consideration when trying to determine what's a case worth. So, how much is a slip and fall case worth? It's going to depend on the severity of the injury, the medical records, medical expenses, lost income, pain and suffering, comparative negligence, and the quality of the lawyer. The victims of slip and fall injuries often feel extreme frustration. Let the Marc Lopez law firm turn that frustration into compensation. Give us a call today, 317-632-3642. And please remember to like this video and subscribe to this channel if you found this video interesting or helpful. Thanks for watching.